Test 1, 2, check. All right, good afternoon. It is April 5th, 2021. It is Vlog 65. It is Monday. Actually, it's Easter Monday. I don't know if today is Easter or was it yesterday. Well, it's Easter Sunday yesterday, but it's Easter Monday today, and there's a lot of people on spring break right now, so it's really cool. Actually, I had to wake up early. That's why it's the afternoon right now. And go into the store. We had a tuning, or we had a customer that had some questions, and I took care of them, came back, and now I'm here doing the vlog. Actually, gotta go get my ukulele. I forgot. Need a little tuning this morning. I kind of tuned this morning before I left, but I will do it again. Tune yourself all day. You always have to continue to make sure you're in tune. That's what I think. But anyways, here we go. Always good. Always good. Awesome. All right. Let's check out the weather today, because it was kind of weird weather action. We had an earthquake, I think, last night. So. And let's look. Let's look at our weather. iPhone cam. 63. The high is 66, so it's below 70. And slightly cloudy week. Maybe late springy weather. It's coming up. But yeah, awesome. Let's look at what we did this weekend. Again, I gotta write every day, and I didn't do it this weekend. Laziness. Friday I did a late vlog, so you guys already know what I did on that day. I did a sound check with Abe Lagrimas, DIY filming with Dave. Actually, what was my song that day? Let's see. My song for Friday was, I guess that's why they call it the blues. Second, third, yeah. Wait. Guess that's why they call it the blues. 100 days of ook. Song day 62 was, I guess that's why they call it the blues. I love that song. Guess that's why they call it the blues. That's why they call it the blues. Did that. It was pretty chill Friday. Yeah. Then on Saturday, this is my ukulele Saturday because it's my live show, and then I have a uk social and all that other stuff. But I did sleep in that day because I think I was tired from the week. Did a live show with Abe Lagrimas. We talked about his new album, which was cool, and just talk story. It's good to. I'm glad I have him as a friend, but he's an awesome ukulele player, and we get, it's cool to talk music with him, because being teaching, as I grow and teaching ukulele and handpan, there's like a lot of different things about music that I don't know. And Abe is a trained musician, has music theory, jazz, all that other stuff. So he knows a lot about music theory, which is super cool. And it's good to pick his brain. And to talk about different theories, because I was sharing with him what I figured out with the 4 principles, and he was kind of about that. He knew it, but he didn't hear it in that way. And he's like, man, maybe I'll use that with my students. It's pretty cool. And so it's funny because like I have these thoughts, and I know coming into music, I've only been playing ukulele for 5 years, and really, I didn't study music or anything like that. So I don't know. I'm still learning, but I'm also teaching at the same time. So I wanted to figure out what I'm teaching to people, and finding it is teaching them music and how to be musical by those 4 principles. And then when you have that, then it's easy to because they can understand how it works for them, which is cool. Then I had a ook social with Nikki. Actually, we only had one person on Saturday. That's cool. But it was Nikki. It was hilarious because it's been that way for a while. I remember the last in-class Saturday social or a jam that we had. It was me and Nikki right before COVID. And then we just jammed yesterday, and it was cool because I like when it's smaller because you can like focus a little bit more. And actually, she had a couple songs that she wanted to learn, so we went over them and learned them. It was fun. I had a couple of those songs and we did it. It was pretty cool. And then I did my 100-day song, which was Sweet Wahine, and that was day 64. And then Easter Day, we totally wanted just to relax. I did do my 100-day song, which was a groovin' on a Sunday afternoon, which is fun. It's always a good Sunday song to sing. I actually cleaned the whole house. I did like a little bit of spring cleaning, so I just vacuumed, did the litter boxes as always, and cleaned the kitchen, and it's still nice right now, so I like it. I like when the house is clean. Kind of cleans your head, and it leaves room for getting more information, which is cool. KK and Cameron came over. We hung out and colored some eggs. That was fun for Easter. Just chilled out and ate a little. We had our fantastic Easter dinner, which was, we decided that we're too lazy, so we ordered pizza. Easter? So awesome. The sun has risen. And it was just a nice, relaxed day on a Sunday, which it should be, which is cool. And then it brings me to today, which I already did a couple things, and now I don't know, I might be ready for my second day or take a nap and then go for my second day. I think I talked about that last time, but yeah, but actually today it was funny, I just talked to Claudia Shu, good friend of mine. I've been working with her for a while, for Friends of Bixby Park, and she's actually just sold her house and is moving out or she's been living in Santa Barbara, but for the last 12 years she's lived here and has been in Long Beach and did a lot of cool things for the park, and now she's leaving. It's kind of crazy, but yeah, the longer we live, things change. And we were talking good stuff because Carrie's birthday's coming up. She's gonna be 50, and we're looking for a place to hang out for her 50th birthday, and Santa Barbara might be it. She was giving me some suggestions, and we will see what we're gonna do there. Let's see what else. That was fun talking to Claudia. She's cool. And then today, what do I gotta do? I gotta schedule some appointments, verify my appointments for this week, write some song sheets. I still got to do my 100-day song. Today, actually, right now, I think I have a little time just to ourselves, so it's kind of like I can just finish up on just piddly work that I want to get done, busy work. That'd be a good Monday. And then, this week What is it this week? What do we do? What else is anything exciting or crazy this week? It's just a normal week. What else do I need to do? I still need to do a review for Ohana ukuleles. I got it sitting over there. Maybe I'll do that today. Do an Ohana ukulele review. That'd be kind of cool. And I'm trying to think of anything else that I need done. What I learned this weekend, Abe Lagrimas, that was awesome. I learned that even though you're a pro at music, sometimes you just don't, I don't know. Musicians think differently about music. There's I think the music theory side of it once you go to school, and then there's like the music. Because I asked him that question. I go, where does music come from? And is music taught, or is it within us? And he said, I think it needs to be taught. But I think I misquoted the question, because then I asked him afterwards, I go, well, do people have music in them? And they're like, he goes, oh yeah. And then I just go, yeah, so basically if they already have music in them, you're just trying to get the music out of them. He goes, oh, that totally makes sense. And I just go, yeah. So basically, I truly believe that. I believe people have music and they just need to be led. And that's what he was trying to say, is like, yeah, people need to be shown how the music works for them. And that's where the teaching comes into effect. So yeah, I honestly believe people have music. That's why, I always wondered, like, why do I want to play an instrument? Why is that so awesome? It's because I've had music in me for a long time, wanted to get it out, just didn't know how to do it. And once I started playing ukulele, I understood. And then that just led to, like, a crazy musical journey, which is, like, I'm still on, which is awesome. And I don't think it'll ever stop. So I'm excited. But it is Monday. It is April 5th, 2021. And yeah, it's spring break time, and I'm sure I've seen a lot of people on vacation and stuff like that. But got some work to do today. I'll finish that off and just have a good, productive day. Yeah. But anyways, I'm just going to make it a little, I think, how long have I been talking? 12 minutes. Cool. Nice little short one. But that's all I have for me today. And like always, ooh, look who came, Kaylee and Cameron. The Kaylee and Cameron? I'm doing a review like Kaylee and the Cameron just came on. But like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.